Can a clogged plumbing vent pipe cause gurgling noises? Imagine flushing your toilet or running your sink and hearing strange bubbling or gurgling sounds. That's often a sign something isn't quite right with your plumbing. You might not realize it, but a key part of your drainage system could be causing these noises. That part is the vent pipe. Vent pipes are like the lungs of your plumbing system. They let air flow in and out of the pipes, helping water drain smoothly. Without proper venting, pressure inside the pipes can get out of balance. When this happens, you might hear gurgling sounds coming from your drains or toilets. So how does a clogged vent pipe cause these noises? Well, when the vent is blocked, air can't enter the system easily. Water flowing down the pipes creates a vacuum or negative pressure. This vacuum pulls air through the trap seals under sinks, tubs, or toilets. As air rushes in to equalize the pressure, it causes the water in the traps to move or be partially siphoned out. That movement creates the gurgling or bubbling sounds you hear. Blocked vent pipes can also slow down drainage. When air can't escape through the vent, water struggles to flow freely. This can lead to water backing up or draining very slowly. Sometimes, sewer gases might even escape into your home, causing unpleasant odors. These issues are signs that your vent pipe might be blocked. Most of the time, a plumber will check the vent stack on your roof. They look for debris like leaves, nests, or other blockages. Clearing out these obstructions restores proper airflow and stops the gurgling. It's a simple fix but important for keeping your drainage system working well. Remember, your vent pipe plays a vital role in balancing air pressure in your plumbing. When it's clogged, it causes noises, slow drainage, and sometimes bad smells. Regular maintenance and inspections can prevent these problems. Keeping your vent pipes clear helps your entire plumbing system run smoothly and quietly.